Hello everyone. Today we will explore pandas together. The giant panda, scientifically known as Ailuropoda melanoleuca, is one of the most iconic and beloved animals in the world. With its distinctive black and white coloring, rotund body, and expressive eyes, the giant panda has captivated people across the globe. Native to China, this unique bear species has come to symbolize wildlife conservation and international cooperation. In this comprehensive essay, we will explore the biology, habitat, diet, behavior, cultural significance, conservation efforts, and current status of the giant panda. Through this exploration, we aim to provide an in-depth understanding of why the giant panda holds such a special place in both scientific and popular realms. Biological characteristics. Giant pandas belong to the bear family, Ursidae, but they differ significantly from other members of this family in various aspects. Physically, giant pandas are characterized by their black and white fur, a feature that helps them camouflage in the snowy and rocky environment of their natural habitat. The white fur blends with snow, while the black markings help them hide in the shade. Adult giant pandas typically weigh between 100 to 150 kilograms, 220 to 330 pounds, and can grow up to 1.5 meters, 5 feet, in length. They have a pseudo-thumb, an extension of the wrist bone, which functions like a thumb and allows them to grasp bamboo effectively. This adaptation is vital, considering that bamboo constitutes more than 99% of their diet. Giant pandas have a relatively low metabolic rate compared to other bears, which is attributed to their low-calorie diet. As a result, they spend a large portion of their day eating and resting. Their molar teeth and strong jaw muscles are specialized for grinding tough bamboo stalks. Habitat and distribution. Historically, giant pandas roamed across much of China, as well as parts of Myanmar and Vietnam. However, due to habitat loss and fragmentation, their current range is limited to 6 mountain ranges in central China, primarily in Sichuan, but also in Shaanxi and Gansu provinces. These regions are characterized by dense bamboo forests and temperate broadleaf and mixed forests, usually at elevations ranging from 1.200 to 3.400 meters. The thick vegetation and high humidity provide an ideal environment for bamboo growth and offer shelter for the pandas. Diet and feeding behavior. Despite belonging to the order Carnivora, giant pandas are primarily herbivorous. Their diet consists almost exclusively of bamboo, leaves, stems, and shoots. They may consume up to 38 kilograms, 84 pounds, of bamboo daily to meet their nutritional needs. On rare occasions, they may eat small rodents, birds, or carrion. Feeding occupies about 12 to 16 hours of a panda's day. Their specialized digestive system is not particularly efficient at extracting nutrients from bamboo, which necessitates consuming large quantities to sustain themselves. Behavior and social structure. Giant pandas are generally solitary animals, with each adult maintaining a defined territory. Males have larger territories that may overlap with those of several females, especially during mating season. Communication among pandas is facilitated through vocalizations, scent markings, and body language. They have a variety of vocal sounds, including bleats, honks, and growls, used in different social contexts. Breeding occurs once a year during the spring, and the female gives birth to 1 or 2 cubs after a gestation period of about 5 months. However, in the wild, usually only 1 cub survives. Newborn pandas are tiny, blind, and helpless, weighing only about 100 grams. The mother is solely responsible for rearing the cub. Versus cultural significance. In Chinese culture, the giant panda is a national treasure and a symbol of peace and friendship. It has appeared in Chinese art and literature for centuries. The panda's status was elevated internationally during the Tang dynasty when China began gifting pandas to other countries, a practice known as panda diplomacy. Today, pandas continue to serve as goodwill ambassadors. The presence of pandas in zoos around the world often reflects strong diplomatic ties with China. Their image is also widely used in branding and marketing, especially in China. Conservation efforts. Giant pandas have long been the face of conservation efforts, notably as the logo of the Worldwide Fund for Nature, WWF. In the past, Giant pandas were listed as endangered due to habitat destruction, low reproductive rates, and poaching. However, decades of concerted efforts have yielded positive results. The Chinese government, in collaboration with international organizations, has established over 60 panda reserves, which now protect more than two-thirds of the wild population. Reforestation, anti-poaching laws, and community-based conservation programs have contributed to their recovery. Captive breeding programs have also played a crucial role. While breeding pandas in captivity is challenging due to their specific reproductive needs, improved techniques have increased the success rate significantly in recent years. In 2016, the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, reclassified the giant panda from endangered to vulnerable, a testament to the effectiveness of these conservation initiatives. Nonetheless, challenges remain, including climate change and habitat fragmentation, which continue to threaten their survival. Current status and future outlook. As of the latest estimates, there are over 1.800 giant pandas living in the wild and several hundred more in captivity around the world. China remains at the forefront of panda conservation, and the species continues to benefit from scientific research, policy initiatives, and public awareness campaigns. The future of the giant panda depends largely on ongoing habitat preservation and sustainable development. Ecotourism, education, and international cooperation are crucial components of this strategy. Additionally, maintaining genetic diversity through careful breeding and reintroduction programs is vital. Conclusion: the giant panda is more than just a cute and cuddly animal. It is a powerful symbol of conservation, diplomacy, and ecological awareness. Its story of survival and recovery is a reminder of what can be achieved through dedication and international collaboration. As we continue to strive for a more sustainable relationship with nature, the giant panda stands as an enduring emblem of hope and resilience.